this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Coming with running boards down below, as well as the Sport Appearance package, giving you color-matched front and rear bumpers, door handles, unique rims, as well as black interior cloth. And looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for 3. Again, with the black cloth, as I mentioned, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. In the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And then onto your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck. And above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again with your forward facing camera, hazards, traction control shut off, and you have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow sand, and mud ruts. Moving on to the right here, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, and down below, a bin with a USB and USB-C. Then you've got your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way from our open space. Then you've got 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And then, last but not least, looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.